So our honored guests, respected teachers, beloved and supportive parents and guardians, and to my fellow pre-service teachers, especially to my fellow English majors, good day. This pinning ceremony is a testament of our successes. Perhaps that is why it was placed in front of our hearts, to remind us that it symbolizes our hard work, passion, dedication, love for this profession, and even fears that have transformed into fearless motivation to conquer the wilderness of uncertainties. 4 years ago, during the pandemic, we were tested in our flexibility and pushed us outside of our comfort zones. We have shown that we can be the best teachers we can be, as this is one of the many purposes of God has set for us. While this pandemic challenged us with new educational setup, but look at us now. We have conquered those trials and turned them into our triumphs. Time has passed, and we finally meet each other, from our initial virtual meetings to gradually meeting in person. We have grown closer together and made new friends who help us survive this journey. Adapting to the changes brought by the pandemic was never been easy. But I want all of you to turn to your seatmates right now and say, you made it. Thank you. You made it because you believe you could. That's why I want to congratulate all of you for getting closer to our dreams and for the future that we have worked so hard for. This pinning ceremony is a testament that we are formally pre-service teachers. However, we would not reach this point without the people who supported us along the way. To our beloved and supportive parents and guardians, thank you for your unwavering support and for providing everything that we need. Especially to my nanay, tatay, kuya, and ate who's with me right now. Thank you for providing everything that we need and for your unwavering support. Your unconditional love gives us strength to keep dreaming and to take action to reach those dreams. That's why we will not say this daily, but I hope after this event, we could say to them how much grateful and love them by saying thank you and I love you. So our respected teachers, thank you for guiding us. Thank you for being friends, mentors, and family to us. Your dedication transcends into our hearts that we aspire to be like you. Individuals who inspire dreamers to put their hearts into their works. And to our friends, classmates, and peers, thank you for sharing in our joys, doubts, fears, failures, and most especially to our successes. Throughout our years here, we built wonderful memories together. During Sportfest, filled with cheers. During our demos, where our friends help us with our visual. During our unexpected session and trips during our weekend time. During our outreach program or community service, where we showcase or learned the gratitude and generosity. During our contests or class projects, where we showcase the power of camaraderie and also the process of learning of fish and tree, but not in nature, but in sentence diagramming. And also during our classes that filled with tears and joys. These are just few memorable experiences that we will surely miss in the future. That's why, as much as we want to pin the nameplate of our hard work today, we should also pin these memories in our hearts forever. So thank you for these moments. Last but not the least, I want all of you to tap your shoulder and say, thank you, Sal.
Thank you, Sal.
Thank you, Sal, because you believe and for keeping in fight for your dreams. I know that this journey may be tiring, but in times when you feel exhausted, that means you're doing well. Be kind to yourself, because in times of hindrances and challenges, you did not give up. You still gave your best in everything that you did. That is why this winning ceremony marked a significant realization. We are formally pre-service teachers, and everyone, please never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Thank you and good day.